Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 30 November 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 17, British rule and the first war of independence. So let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So student, in the previous video we have completed the short answer question. Now today we will start the long answer question. Take out your classwork copy. Question number 2. Why were the question 1 we have already completed in the previous video, so we will start with question number 2. Why were the Indian rulers and the princes unhappy with the British? So question is, why were the Indian rulers and princes unhappy with the British? Okay. So what is the reason? So let's discuss the answer. After that we will write the answer in our class for copy. So Indian rulers and princes were unhappy because many laws are passed by the British government at that time. Okay. So the law which is passed by the British government at that time is the, if and name of the law is doctrine of lapse. So what does it mean? It means that according to which if a ruler died without leaving a male heir, his territory would pass on to a British hands. So that is the reason they are unhappy. Okay. So this law is passed by the British government and the power of the king and Nawab has been taken away at that time. Okay, the power of kings and Nawab has been taken away and the new law which is passed by the British government at that time is the doctrine of lapse. And what does it mean? It means that if any king, ठीक है, if any king die without a male heir, ठीक है, अगर कोई भी मतलब ऐसा है कि कोई भी किंग की अगर डेथ हो जाती है और उसका मेल हेयर नहीं है, ठीक है, मेल होना चाहिए, नॉट ए फीमेल चाइल्ड, उसका वारिस होना चाहिए मेल, ठीक है, अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो उसकी जो टेरिटरी है, हिज टेरिटरी वुड पास ऑन टू अ ब्रिटिश हैंड एंड दिस इज द रीजन वाई this is the reason at that time why the Indian rulers and princes unhappy with the British government. Okay, so note down the answer. The Indian rulers and princes were unhappy with the British as their power was taken away. Many unjust laws, many unjust laws were passed by the British like the doctrine of lapse, according to which according to which if a ruler died without if a ruler died without leaving a male heir, his territory would pass on to British hands. So, why were the Indian rulers and princes unhappy with the British? Answer is the Indian rulers and princes were the Indian rulers and princes were unhappy with the British as their power was taken away. Many unjust laws were passed by the British, like the doctrine of lapse, according to which if a ruler died without leaving a male heir, his territory would pass on to British hands. And this is the reason why the rulers and princes were unhappy at the time of a British rule. So student, you can take a screenshot. Next question. Next question. What were the causes of the revolt of 1857? Okay, now we will discuss what are the reason, what was the causes of the revolt of 1857. What were the causes of the revolt of 1857? So the cause of revolt of 1857 was the Indian soldiers which are in the British army. ठीक है, जो इंडियन सोल्जर्स है बेटा, जो ब्रिटिश आर्मी में जो थे, सो वर ह्यूमिलेटेड. ओके, the Indian soldiers were humiliated as there was marked discrimination and disparity in the salary and station. उनके संग जो ब्रिटिश आर्मी के जो लोग थे वो भेदभाव करते थे. ठीक है, and there is a lot of difference in the salary also. For the same job they are getting the less salary. And another thing is that the stations. So European soldiers, they are working at the good stations, and so that is the also the reason. Okay, another point is that the immediate cause for the use of a grease cartridges. Okay, now in the old time the soldier carry two bags. In one bag they have a gunpowder, and in the another bag they have bullets. Now the new rifle come in the army, and now what happened? So now the soldier no need to carry two bags, but what is in the new rifle? There is a grease cartridges. Okay, so what happened? These grease cartridge had animal fat and had to be turned off before being loaded. So that this is the another cause. So this often both the Hindus and Muslim, so they revolted. Okay, so note down the answer. The cause of the revolt of 1857 was First point, the Indian soldiers the Indian soldiers the Indian soldiers were humiliated. Humiliated as there was as there was okay as there was marked discrimination, भेदभाव, discrimination and disparity in the salary and station on which they are posted. Second, greased cartridges. Second is the greased cartridges used had animal fat and had to be bitten off before being loaded. So, what was the cause of the revolt of 1857? The cause of the revolt of 1857 was, the Indian soldiers were humiliated. The Indian soldiers were humiliated as there was marked discrimination and disparity in the salary and stations. And next point is greased cartridges used had animal fat and had to be bitten off before being loaded. So this is the cause of revolt of 1857. And so in this chapter the homework for you is that you paste the pictures of the leaders of 1857. Thank you, student.